in Desert Garage, and we are at the Veterans Day Car Show.
Pretty day.
That's nice.
Get a heart attack, but it'd be worth it.
Nice little OBS.
Right where the frame kicks out, and it's going straight into the frame right there. That's Harry's. Yeah. Yeah, he's around here somewhere.
Nice old Chevy. Damn. Very nice. Nice, tasteful example. And it's a 1975 GMC.
You can shoot that fuzz member and bolt off of any square body.
That's
and
nice.
bolt it up.
Nice old car. We got here 1929 Ford. That's pretty smooth. Gun in the headache rack. That's pretty cool.
Generally.
Yeah.
Old veteran too.
Yeah, he's local here. I've met him before.
It just brought to my attention, and I need to reiterate this. Veterans' choice is only for veterans to vote on. I repeat,
Damn,
only
nice
for
truck.
veterans to vote on.
Very nice. There we go. Nice old Cougar. '69. Nice wheels. Real nice paint job on it too. Black interior. Got a little Toyota. Corvette.
Fiscally responsible, financially monetary efficient. These are things people say about drivers who push their cars.
Driver's seat, don't sit on it.
Pretty futuristic there.
Sorry.
You're okay.
You could save on car insurance.
That's good.
The rest of the insurance company is potential
A little Honda.
now available in all states or situations.
Another Toyota.
Shop Black Friday
Skyline. Looks like we got a Skyline here.
with women's boots. Now
Yep, GTR.
clean up on Home Expressions back towels, only $2.99 each. Plus, bundle up the fam and outerwear starting at just $17.99. Shop thousands of
Right-hand drive car.
Black Friday prices. More holiday savings. JCPenney, great discounts.
It's a 92. Pretty nice old ride. Got another one. Damn. It's a 99. Not too bad looking. Corvette. Never seen one set up like this before. Really, with the white wheels. Carbon fiber. Don't know if the carbon fiber is real or if it's a wrap, but it's probably real. Wheels actually make it look pretty good. It's got those ground effects down there. Got a big old Jeep. Very nice looking Jeep pickup. Got some motorcycles over here. Pretty nice.
There's the sticker. I'll look at it. I'll look at it.
Dang, it's for sale too. Damn.
Indian.
I like the coloring on that one there. And it's for sale too. Nice old Indian, yeah. Yeah, it does look real comfortable.
6 cylinders. Because it's 30 bucks when you get here versus online.
And we got a big old Denali here. So when we saw in the parade, it's on bags.
Lois was very upset
Nice old truck. Wow. It's got some lights up there. Oh, Whipple Supercharger. Was not expecting that at all. Pretty big tires though. They're almost waist high.
We just walk this way.
Yeah.
This way.
Nice little 2500. This is a nice truck. Little step side.
That's an ass.
I'm not really into the whole lowrider scene, but pretty nice. Real nice looking 79. So, already got your Prowler. These things actually have a 6-cylinder in them. 3.3 liter. Kind of neat though. They don't put out much horsepower. Nice old Chevy. Skirts are pretty nice on it. Nicely done. They've got a little proper. The inside looks really original except for the Kenwood over there, but other than that, it's original. It's really very nice. Nice old 67 Impala. Very nice. Local card club. Here. Damn. That interior is, I don't know if it comes out. That interior is really, really nice. We got us an old Cutlass here. Nice little daily driver.
Uzziah, don't touch.
It's not perfect, but she's a driver. That little Cooper. Oh, this is the one that lives over there by Chris. Yeah. Yeah, I've seen this one. It's actually looks good with the wheels on it. I mean, really, it matches it pretty decent.
Look at it. It's roomy. It ain't fucking small. Inside, I could ride this thing. These goes back.
Oh, it's got dual sunroofs.
Yeah, that thing like.
Oh wow, it is a roomy little guy.
I was thinking, you get in there.
I was not expecting that much room inside of it.
You didn't expect that. You look in there.
Yeah, you see it from the outside, like, damn, that's cramped. No.
You can roll that fucker real good as long as that back seat too.
Yeah. Another OBS Chevy. Nice looking Suburban. Or Tahoe. Nice bike. Here's the Lincoln that was in the parade.
So you fix that dent. Put a bullet thing over it. Put a dent. Good that way.
Oh yeah. This is a nice car. I love this style Lincoln. Man, she's nice. Very nice.
Look at that orange one.
A little GMC here.
I knew it. I said it.
Yeah, the blonde though from the shadow side.
That is a heck of a color though. Really. I like that color.
Tangerine or.
Yeah, it kind of looks like a tangerine. I mean, it's nice, so it looks good on it.
Drill in it. Got drill in it.
And then the black and tan interior in it. It actually is a nice car. Here's another nice old truck right here.
What year is it? 76. 76?
Like the wheels. Baby Moon's 66 Chevy. Damn. Pretty nice old truck. Very nice truck. Had a little OBS there. Nice truck. For a project. And you got this old Ford here. This is very nice. Got a 5.0 in it. Good old Ford engine. Fuel EFI. Someone took the steering column and wheel, have a Mercury put in it. The color is amazing. Oh shit. Radio antenna. Nice old 62 Bel Air. Very, very nice. Little Mustang.
Rich playing photographer.
It's nice.
Yeah.
The old Mustang's for sale too. 66. Original 6-cylinder. And of course, the General Lee. Boy, the body on her is wavy. I've never been in this. This is a local car. Never seen it up close. It runs really good, despite of the body damage on it. Surely not a perfect car, but it still looks good. And then I see this truck around all over the place. Kind of a neat old truck.
Nice meeting you. I tell you, you could sit in it, but there's not a lot of leg room right there. So 5 giant feet.
Yeah, that's the hardest part, right?
I had a 34 pickup at one time. This would have had it too. You know,
Good looking
the
old
hardest
truck.
thing was getting in with my big feet. This wasn't bad until
Yeah, fuel cell.
I see the frame, so I can drop it down.
And that's nice. Very nice.
Yeah. The other side's nice. Is this you here?
No, sir.
I see you going up down the road. So I thought, Emmett's got a road sound.
Yeah, it's a little bit
Here's a little Chevrolet.
Some of cars sold for sold. There's not a lot of room in this one. Yeah, there's a little bit,
Wow.
but there's not a great amount.
Interior is nice.
Don't need power windows. Yeah. I
Man.
don't even have power steering on this. It's wide enough that originally did have power steering.
Clean. It's a 68. Look at the bed. Man, that bed is nice. We got us a 69 Camaro. Got a book of all the work he's done to it. Oh, dang. 1977, 1978. All the work he's done to it, man. It's nice. Love those wheels. Nice clean interior. Damn. Very nice car. Got his Grand National. Very well respected car. Very well respected. Sunroof. Man, it's nice. Very nice car. Yeah. Nice old C10.
I can imagine.
But it's not.
Another nice old truck. This truck here is pretty nasty. This truck here is pretty nasty.
Yeah.
There was a guy selling this truck a few months back, and man, you start this thing up, it's got something underneath the hood. That's for damn sure. Nice thing is, it ain't perfect. I'm not afraid to drive it, you know, every day. This guy lives by the cemetery. I recognize this truck. This thing's pretty hopped up.
Yeah.
Very nice. And clean. Vice grips. Oh wow. Just a little small block.
National.
An old blue International.
Little man right there.
My dad had one of these, but a step side when I was a kid. 65.
Told me he found the lineup sheet under the seat.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
You know, I had a buddy that had a Ford hood on this.
On the line thing that made it.
Yeah, yeah.
It's 56.
The whole build sheet.
I had a 53 Ford.
Man,
Between the springs and seat.
that's where most of them are, is on this, in the springs on the old trucks.
Yeah, it's nice.
I don't know, man. That's a well-respected truck there.
Heavy duty mofo.
Yeah, my dad's was a
Nice too.
my dad's was a step side 1100.
I always like Chevelle.
Oh yeah.
Always looking pretty. A muscle man too.
It's an SS.
Wow.
Very nice.
I can appreciate that. So I tell them that Dodge Ford was not.
Five speed or 4 speed.
Probably a Ford. Well, it might be set up for highway driving. Either way, it's nice. Very nice.
Florida. Got Florida tag on it.
Probably military. I bet.
Antique Florida tag.
Yeah. You guys, a little WRX here. These are cool little cars, though. They're fast.
Fast and furious.
These little guys are quick, though.
Oh yeah.
They are very quick. Well, hell, that one that Steven's got.
Oh yeah, Subaru, yeah.
Yeah, his is a WRX.
Yeah.
Go check out that final 3 little guys. These are all right if you like this sort of thing. Cobra racing seats. Nice interior though. Big old wing. Another Skyline. Skylines are pretty nice. Unique cars. And then final car over here. Oh, it's a little Scion. She's been
Banged up.
Anyway, that about concludes it. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, keep me going. And I'll post this around the middle of this coming week. Bye.